Hi, Dani Matthew. Oh my God. Imran, hi, hello. Good evening, Prabandh. Good evening, Amit. Hi, Sekat. Oh my God, so many hearts. Guys, I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi, Devesh. Hi, Debashi. Hi, Salman. Hi, Gautam. I think I should have done this video a long time back, guys. So wonderful. Hi, Danish. Hi, Anish. Hi, Amrit. Great. Hi, Ajay. Hi. Love you guys. Hi, Mayank. Wow. Hi, Unisol. Hi, Lalit. Hi, Rahul. Hi, Ramesh. Hi, guys. Hi, Srinivas. Oh my God, that's really quick. Hi, Shutter Surprise. Okay. Prateek. Hi. 187. Oh my God, this is too fast. I am excited to see you all like this. In fact, I should have come here much earlier. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gokul. Hi, Krishna. Hi, Shalini. Hi, Mumbai Kumar. Oh, oops. Hi, Hybrid the Hair. Okay, some of these names are very difficult. Hi, JP. Hi, Shutter Surprises. Hi, Niranj. Hi, Aryan. Hello, Ganesh. Hi, Deepan. Hi, Rajiv. Hi, Chidayat. Hi, Arvind. Guys, if I'm taking your name wrong, please pardon me for that. Hi, Winston. Love you all. Hi, Harrison. Hi, Biswas. Hi, Mitran. Hi, Sanket. Hi, JP. Hi, Utya. Hi, Adi. Hi, Santosh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, wise, by staying positive. Hi, Chavda Pat. Hi, Imran. Thank you so much for the hearts, guys. Lots and lots of love to you. Hi, Moons. Hi, Amrit. Hi, Kiran. Hi, Aaron. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on a Saturday evening. And in fact, I should say that I have been a little late to make this, to come live and meet all of you. It's just so wonderful. I'm doing fine. Photo shoot model club. Hi, Surya. Hi, Akash. Hi, Clinton. Hi, Max. Hi, Sachin. No, I'm not a Malayali. Hi, Vintage Wanderer. Oh my God, some of you kept really different names on Insta. It's very difficult. Hi, Shamin. Hi, Mirza. That's great. Love you all. Thank you so much for all the hearts that you're sending me. Thank you. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, Mike. Hi. Hi, Rahman. Hi, Simran. Good evening. How are you doing? Hi, Arvind. Hi, Tariq. Hi, Pulkit. Oh my God, it's just going up like anything. Hi, Karun. Hi, Rohit. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for all your love. You don't know, I am so blessed. And in fact, I remember making a video when I had just 1,000 followers, and thank you so much for all your love. I'm really very grateful, and lots and lots of love, and hugs to all of you. Hi Ankit, hi Danny. I try and reply to all my comments, and guys, I see all the comments. Okay, so sometimes I do get late, so it's like it could be 1 or 2 days, or sometimes you may think that I take 2-3 days to even reply to your comments, but it's wonderful to read all your comments, the nice ones. I mean the good ones, not the bad comments, you know. So just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you for all your love. हाँ, मैं हिंदी में भी बात करती हूँ. Lenin, yes. Of course, I do speak in Hindi. Hi Swagat, hi Ahmed, hi Karthik. Hi Eagle Warrior. Hi Vintage. Thank you so much. And मैं आप सबकी comments पढ़ती हूँ. I read all your comments, and I just wanted to come live today and say this to all of you. Lots and lots of love and hugs to all you guys. Seriously, your likes and your comments, they are just wonderful. And I'm really sorry I am not able to see the DMs, so I'm really sorry for that. Thank you. Hi Adi, a big hi from Malaysia. Lots of love to you. Hi Suneet. Hi Phoenix. I don't know when am I going to act, but let's see soon. Hi Ahmad. Rao Ahmad. Okay, hi guys, if I'm not taking your names, please excuse me for that. Hi Ajay. Hi Sai. Oh, definitely I'm going to reply to you. I read everybody's comments, all your comments, and I try and reply to each and every one of them. But like I said, I love all the nice comments. So please people, keep your comments nice and don't give any bad comments. You know, I think there is no girl who would like any bad comment, right? So thank you so much. And hi Shehrail, I don't know if I've taken your name properly. Love for you too. Hi Satish, hi Rahul. Hi the Eagle Warrior. Yes, do DM me. Hi Preetham. Hi Mohsin. Hi Suraj. Hi Sudhir. Hi Rajiv. Hi Golia. Hi Asain. Very difficult your names are, guys, but it's wonderful. Hi Jaren. Hi Sandeep. Hi Nikhil. Lovely to see you all, and I was just thanking everybody for those who have just joined in just now. A big thank you. Lots and lots of kisses to all of you. You people, you beautiful people are wonderful, and I'm truly lucky to have such a huge Insta fam. And there was somebody who had made a backup account in the name of Doe-Eyed Girl, and I must say that I don't plan to make any backup accounts or any more accounts. So of course I had to report that guy because he was harassing me on WhatsApp, and I had to report it to the cyber security, and of course they're going to take care of it. Hi Pavan. Hi Prashant. Hi Arun. Hi Abhijit. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lots of love to all of you. No, I don't speak Tamil. I am sorry, I'm not from South. I know a lot of people had, a lot of you had tried to find out. Hi Prashant. Hi Shailesh. Lots of love. Hi Ankur. Hi Star Magic. Hi Salman. Oh my god. So if I've really missed out your name, please excuse me for it and stay safe. The pandemic is still on. We all have to use precautions. I hope you all are using precautions. And how are you all spending time at home? I'm sure for some of you, your jobs have started. For me, it is mostly work from home. But yes, whenever the shoots come up, I'm traveling. So I would be going to Chennai in another 2 days. And lots and lots of love to all of you. Hi Retotler, hi Chokis. Your names are, hi Kalra Amit, hi Abin, oh my god, hi Mr. Bob Gamer, hi Bedroom Memes, oh my god, some of your names are, how do you create such IDs? Hi Setu Madhavan, hi Evil Frost, Hi, Cleavage Pleasure. Okay, hi. Great. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. I am really grateful for all your love. And like I was telling you all before, I read all your comments. Okay, so all your replies, I try to reply, except for the bad comments. They're not welcome. I'm sorry. Hi Ravik. Hi Kunu. Hi. I'm not from Chennai. No, not at all. I'm not from the south. Hi Zaman Malik. Hi Zois. Hi Linson. Hi Surinder. Hi Philip John. Hi guys. Great. I am so happy that I've done this live and yes, Kunu 711. Yes, Prashant. Hi. Oh, my hobbies are primarily reading. I love to travel. I love to read a lot and I love listening to music. But I love to travel a lot. So whenever I get a chance, so that's how Jet happened, and modeling, that was my passion. So of course, I think we all must live our passion in this life because we only have one life, right? No, I'm not from Bengal. Hi Anita. Hi Sidhu. Hi Eagle Warrior. Hi Hyperactive. Hi. Great. Hi Rajiv. Great. Lots and lots of love to each and every one of you, and I would be coming live again soon, and I think I should be doing that because I think I should have made a live video much earlier, guys, but I think it's my fault. But I'm thrilled today, thrilled to be here and be with all of you. Yes, and one more time I'm repeating this. There are no backup accounts. There are no other accounts. There is only one account. So, of course, it's up to you. What do you want to follow? What do you want to do? It's all personal. But like I said, somebody had created